A plus B by B plus C equals C plus D by D plus A. Which of the following statements is always true? I'm going to use this. A plus B into D plus A equals C plus D into B plus C. Let's expand this. AD plus BD plus A square plus AB equals CB plus BD plus C square plus CD. Does anything get cancelled? Yes, BD gets cancelled. So AD plus AB plus A square, CB plus C square plus CD. There's some symmetry about A and C. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take this as AD minus CD plus AB minus CB plus A square minus C square. AD minus CD, A square minus C square, AB minus CB is equal to 0. Or this is D into A minus B plus D into A minus C, plus B into A minus C plus A plus C into A minus C is equal to 0. Or A minus C common to D plus B plus A plus C is equal to 0. This tells us that either this is 0 or this is 0. Or A minus C is 0, A is equal to C. Or A plus B plus C plus D is 0. Either one of them is true, this will hold good. Either A is equal to C or A plus B plus C plus D equal to 0, both work. Answer choice D, D for delta.